If you're looking for a fast and easy way to make money online, even if you've never done anything like this before, stick with me. What I'm going to share is far and away the easiest moneymaker yet. Even a dummy like me can have massive success with it. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you'll support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. I love making my living online. I've been making money on the internet full time for over 20 years now. It's the best way I know that everyday people can create both money freedom and time freedom too. All you need is the right opportunity and the right way to market it. I've found a way to be able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer while most people are busy at their jobs. And it's easier than you think for you to escape the rat race too and set yourself free. Let me tell you about the unique opportunity I build and how I do it. And again, it's dummy simple. Anyone can copy what I do. First, the business itself. And it's really different from the others you see people trying to make money with. It's really low cost to start, the most affordable home business I know of, and there's no monthly purchase requirement. I emphasize that because I meet so many people who have invested a small fortune just to start a home business and then have to spend even more money each month just to stay active in the business. Many times it's more than their household budget could really afford. And then, to add insult to injury, they spend another big hunk of money trying to market it. Well, it's only a matter of time before they give up and quit, having spent far more money than they've made. It happens all too often. Well, here's the thing. This business is not only affordable, but you can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day, and it pays recurring income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month. Imagine getting paid months from now for what you do today. And what I really like is you don't need to spend a lot of money to do this. In fact, we teach our team how to market it for free. It's super simple. Anyone can do it. Everyday people all over the world are having big success in just minutes per day. All I do is give people the link to a simple one-page website with a short video that does all the work. The opportunity we promote is the highest converting offer I've ever seen. I'm still amazed at how many people see it and want it right on the spot. The video encourages people to grab a free spot on my team so they can kind of test drive the business and start building an income while they're checking it out. That's before they've spent a penny. I've never seen that before. It's pretty hard to say no to an offer like that. Check it out for yourself. I'm sure you'll like what you see. Go to my website now at wannalivebetter.com. Again, that's wannalivebetter.com. We'll talk soon.